If you have been hearing about AI everywhere and still find yourself asking questions like where do I start my AI journey from, then this video is probably for you. The finance world is continuously buzzing with the terms like ChatGPT, Claude, automation, machine learning, and many more. But out of all of these, what all needs your direct attention will depend upon the purpose you are using it for. In this video, we'll break down everything for you so that you understand what all tools are available in the market and what all can be used for starting your AI journey. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly begin. Now, as we begin our discussion, let me first divide it into three parts, depending upon the scope of automation. The first one is automating within the Excel framework. The second one is automating beyond the Excel framework. And the third one is automating with the help of third-party apps. Now let's first talk about the first option, that is automation within the Excel framework. Now what all tools will be used here? The answer would be VBA macros, Power Query, and the Python script plugins within the Excel workbook. Now how can these tools help? They can help in consolidating different Excel sheets into one workbook, sending Outlook emails with email data, then scenario analysis, and then preparing various charts, and then also automatically refreshing data from various systems. Now the big question is, have these tools been recently introduced? The answer is no. These tools were already present earlier. Now what changes? The use of AI models such as ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and various other models will make the actual difference. Yes, you heard that right. You can use these AI models to generate codes that will help you run these tools very efficiently. That is, you can use these AI models as your personal coding assistant. These will generate codes and then help you use these three tools, that is the VBA, Power Query, and Python scripts more efficiently. So this is how you can make automations within the Excel framework. Now, moving on to the automation beyond the Excel framework. Now, to automate beyond the Excel framework, you would be requiring a different set of tools. And that would be standalone Python scripts as well as the RPA tools. That is the Robotic Process Automation tools, such as UiPath, Power Automate, and Blue Prism, to name a few. Now, how can these tools help us? These tools will help us to download and upload data from different websites or any other places on the internet. Also, it will help you copy and paste data in between different apps, also scheduling various automated repetitive tasks. So these tools can be very helpful beyond the Excel framework. So here again, we use our AI models such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini as our personal coder assistant. These coding assistants will help you write the code, which in turn will help you run these tools more efficiently. And in case if it does not work out in one go, we can always communicate the errors to these AI models. They will in turn provide us the solution. However, the use of these RPA tools involves certain amount of licensing cost as well, which also needs to be taken into consideration before you use these tools for automation purposes. Now, moving on to the third option. In case of automation using the third-party apps, these third-party apps allow you to create your own app for automating your processes. Yes, you heard that right. Without having the need to code, these apps help you create your own app. You just need to provide the description, what the app needs to do, and there you go. It creates an app for you which can be deployed offline as well as online. That is, on the basis of the description you provide, it will help you create a front-end user interface, the back-end database, as well as the workflow logic. However, the only additional thing that you need to consider here is the additional cost involved in the usage of these third-party apps. Although these third-party apps provide additional credits to you, but you'll still be needing additional investment to use these apps. And some of these third-party apps are Flutterflow, Zapier Interface, Replit, and Lovable App, to name a few. And in conclusion, you still have the option to automate your processes or build apps for yourself without any cost or a little cost. However, if you want hassle-free building of apps or automating processes, you might have to rely on third-party apps. Please note, viewers, we'll be discussing all these automation techniques in detail in our upcoming videos. Or in case you're watching this video a little later, those have already been uploaded in the video section of our YouTube channel. Do remember to visit that video section also. Also, before you begin, if you want to have a quick look of what AI can do for you, we have created multiple YouTube shorts in this respect. The link to those YouTube shorts are given in the detailed description section. Do remember to watch that as well before you begin your AI journey.